Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be unboxing the PEI Top C that I recently got. And yeah, here it is. It's been about maybe 15 days since I ordered this thing. And it's finally sent out. And it finally arrived. So let's go ahead and get right into this thing. Alright. Give me one sec. Alright, here it is. A lot of bubble wrap. There we go. Damn, that was a lot of bubble wrap. So these are my current Topsies. There are two missing from here. Two of which I sent to my friend to check out. So yeah, they'll be back here pretty soon. So yeah, this is the titanium one I have. This is the Zerk one. This is the green and silver Topsy Spark. And this is the Zerk's, my favorite. So yeah, we're gonna be unboxing the PEI version now. It's a pretty cool sticker. Alright, and here's the ZZ plate for it as well. Let's get right into this thing. Super excited. Here we go. Alright, I'm gonna open this first. Alright, there you go. Actually, I'm gonna leave that here. And then here are the new stickers for the Top C PEI version. The regular one, then the PEI version sticker. It's pretty cool. Alright, I'm gonna put this back in here. And now we're gonna move on to this thing. Alright, here we go. Super excited. As you guys know, I love my Top Cs. I have 6 of them. This is gonna be my 7th. Alright. Alright, let me put this away. Here it is. Let's open this thing up and get right into it. Alright, so from what I've noticed, it's got the same pattern as the Spark. As you guys can see, the same surface, and not like the regular one or the new design for the Topsies. So yeah, that's pretty cool. I'm gonna take these out of the cases just for the video. All right, so here it is. All right, let's see the first click. Oh yeah, this thing is amazing. Even without the ZZ plate, it's just so nice and snappy. I like it. I love it. Alright, let me get my scale real quick. So 17 grams for the PEI version. 30 grams for the titanium. 40 grams for the Zerk. This is probably also 40. 39 for the Sparks. And then 32 for the Zerk's. Hold on a second. 27 for the Zerk's. Alright, that was weird. Alright, there you go. So now we're going to compare the sound between them all. Alright, so we're going to start off with the titanium version. Well, it also matters what kind of ball setup it has and the spring setup. This is the very soft springs plus a plastic balls, which is very, very quiet. So 44, 55, 56, 54, so 55 as well. And this, I believe, is going to be over 60. Definitely over 60. All right, so let's go ahead and take this thing apart carefully. All right, so there you go. That's the inside. So actually, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take out the balls and the springs. Actually, I think I can leave the springs in there for now. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take apart this thing. And add an extra ball in there so it's smoother. There we go. Unscrewed it. Actually, before I do that, I get the right ball out. There you go. All right. So these are the balls for the track. So these were already in here. They just came out just now. So all right, you see how there's a one spot open? I'm gonna put this ball in there to make it full. Now I'm gonna close it back up. Slowly and carefully. There we go. So that's how you do that. I'm gonna also make another video where I completely take apart this thing and show you guys how to do it and what kind of balls to use and all that stuff I'm gonna do with this thing. But yeah, now let's try the ZZ plate. All right, I'm gonna put this thing here. I'm gonna put the balls back. I'm gonna put this screw back in here. There you go. A lot smoother. I think you can even put stiffer springs in here to make it add a bit more resistance in the clicks. But yeah, well, this thing is just super smooth. All right, I think what I'm gonna do now, gonna put the stock plate back in. I think I kind of like that more with these springs, but usually I like the ZZ plate more. There we go. yeah, that's great. Love this thing already. But yeah, I guess that'll be all for this video, guys. I'm gonna go ahead and put these things away. I give this thing a 10 out of 10. 100% recommend it if you guys can get your hands on it. And yeah, gonna put these back here. Put that in there. Yeah, I 100% recommend this thing. Topsy, just the best mechanical coin out there. Like, you guys can see like the insides of it and how they work and how much like thought went into it. And yeah, Metal Toy just makes the best mechanical stuff ever. Like, I haven't seen one company do better than them. That's why I have so many. Now it's my 7th. So yeah, I love these things. But yeah, that'll be all for this video, guys. Make sure you guys like and subscribe. Turn on the bell notifications. I have a lot more crazy videos coming up soon. Crazy unboxings, crazy reviews. So yeah, stay tuned. And see you guys in the next one.